welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool way you can make 3D stuff, text, or whatever you want in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. First off, you want to click here, add a solid color or a gradient as your background. I'm going to go with a gradient. And just click here and you can select your colors and the opacity you want to have. So I'm going to have my gradient go from a dark blue to a light blue. And I want to make it radial. I'm going to scale it up a little bit. Kind of like that, right? Press OK when you're happy with it. We can then unlock this and just delete it pressing backspace. Anyways, grab your type tool or press T on your keyboard and write your text. Position it wherever you want it to be and change the font if you want. I'll make it white for now. What you're going to do now is press, first off, Command J to duplicate your layer, then press once the up arrow key and once the left arrow key. And repeat this process for about like 40 times. So Command J and then move. This will basically create multiple copies and you're just moving one pixel up and one pixel left to create this really cool effect. Right, we now have 50 copies. You're going to leave the first one, the top one, alone and select all of them apart from the top one and the bottom one. So then press Command G and group these guys together. Make your bottom one, we're going to make it dark. We're going to go Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Press Convert to Smart Object and blur it. This will be our shadow, so you can move it further away if you want. Then double click on your group here to bring out the layer style. And now we're going to get a little crazy with the Bevel and Emboss effect. I could go for something like this and then go with a color overlay or a gradient overlay, and I want to make it in the reds. Maybe just a color overlay. I'll go with red. You can play around with the settings here of your bevel and emboss. This is looking pretty cool right now, so press OK. Then double click on your top copy and we're going to give it a color overlay and I'm going to make it orange and then add an inner shadow. I'm going to make it a really light version of that orange and play around with the distancing. Also, you can play around and try to change colors of it. And that's it. Pretty cool, right? It's also pretty easy. You can definitely change the bevel and emboss and play around with the settings till you're happy with the effect you get. But these are the basic things you have to do to get something looking like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I post video tutorials every single day. If you want to watch my shorter versions of these same tutorials, I post those on TikTok every day as well. And if you want to give my Instagram a follow, that would be awesome. I post there every single day as well. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.